Good morning. Nag-live na si PM. Nag-live na si PM USA. Ayan, good morning, good morning. Malapit na Friday, 2 days to go. May raffles na ulit. Ayan, salamat. Maglakad na tayo, guys. And ito ako palaging Grabe, kahapon I was so horrible yesterday that I don't wear mask. Oh my God, whole day I'm sneezing. But now I rather had to put my mask because it's really horrible. Ayan, busy guys. Busy ang len niya. Busy ang len niya. Look at that. Ayun. Ano na yung aso ko. I had to pick up as always. Ay. Okay. Okay guys. Very busy. Wait baby. Wait baby. Sus, ginoo ko bebe. Anong nangyari? Hey. Ayan. Wala pang sa'kin. Damat. Agoy. Busy pa guys, busy. Ayan, ayaw kong tumawid kasi may aso ako. Ayan, Bingals, have a good day. Hey Bingals forever, thank you for joining back. Ayan, it's a busy day. As always, when it's morning, it's busy. And look at my dog. Ayan. Ayan, busy guys. Tingnan mo oh. So magantay ako ng ayaw kong magmadali tumawid. I'll just wait another Tesla car. So yeah. Ayan, ang daming Tesla dito guys. Tesla car. Daming Tesla. Sana all na lang tayo sa Tesla dito. Oh. Tesla. Ayan. Pathfinder. Oh, I remember that Pathfinder. My father was driving Pathfinder before. Yan, I was almost done. I'm gonna walk now. Ayan, wala nga sila no? Tesla na again. So, this community had a lot of Tesla car. Parang ikaw lang talaga Isay. Busy pa sila